Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So, dear children, today I am here with the grammar book English language. Today we are going to start a new chapter of English language, which is chapter 13, relations showing words. Chapter 13. Relations showing words. Okay. So, can you take out your English grammar book and open page number 60. Page number 60. 60. 60. Okay. Chapter 13. Relations showing words. Okay. So, let's start. Dear students, relations showing words are called preposition. Preposition. Okay. Preposition words tell us where a person, animals, a place or a thing is. Preposition words tells us where a person, animals, a place or thing is. Prepositions और रिलेशन शोइंग वर्ड्स हमें बताते हैं कि कहाँ एक व्यक्ति, स्थान, जानवर और जगह है. ठीक है. ओके. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I am coming from Delhi. I am coming from Delhi. So, dear children, in this sentence, from is a preposition. From is a preposition. Okay. In, under, near, with, on, okay, over, at. These words are called prepositions. Okay. Prepositions. These words are preposition. Okay, dear children. So, let's read the book. Kindly take out your English grammar book and open page number 60. So, let's start. Chapter 13, relations showing words. Relations showing words are called prepositions. Prepositions. Okay. Preposition. Now, what are relations showing words? Certain words are used before naming words to show its relation to another word in a sentence. Okay. Prepositions are the words or the group of words which are generally placed before a noun or a pronoun to express its relations with other parts of the sentence. Okay. Relations showing words or prepositions. Prepositions are the words or the group of words which generally placed before a noun or a pronoun to express its relation with another relation and other parts of the sentences. Okay. These words connect one thing with another and tell us how they are related. Okay, these words connect one thing with another thing and tell us how they are related. Okay, let's read the book. Example: the balloon is under the table. So in this, as you can see, picture is given here. The balloon is under the table. So in this sentence, under is relation showing word. Under is relation showing word, okay, or prepositions. The fish is in the water. In this sentence, in is a relation showing word. Next, the chair is near the table. In this, near is relation showing word. Okay. Okay. Next, the ship is standing under the tree. In this sentence, under is the relation showing words. He is cutting the cake with a knife. We saw a horse on the road. Bird fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. A kite flew in the sky. The bridge is over the river. I write with a pencil. The children are looking at the blackboard. He is sleeping on the bed. Okay. So dear children, in this in the above sentences, under, in, near, okay, with, over, with, at, on are relation showing words. Okay. Relation showing words are generally placed before the naming words, before the nouns. As you can see, table. Table is noun. So relation showing words generally placed before the noun. Noun से पहले लिखा जाता है. Relation showing word noun के पहले आता है. Okay. So dear children, let's complete the exercise of this chapter. Brain teasers. Fill in the blanks with suitable relation showing words. Clue are given in the box. Okay. Number 1. The alarm clock is on the table. As you can see, alarm clock is on the table. Number 2. The mountains are covered with snow. Covered with snow. Okay. Next, number 3. There is a cow in the field. There is a cow in the field. Number 4. The cat is near, N-E-A-R, near the chair. The cat is near the chair. Okay. Next, number 5. The boy is standing under, U-N-D-E-R, under the tree. Okay. Now next, open page number 62. So dear children, this is your homework. Here you write on the top homework, fun with colors. In the word maze, color the circles which show relation showing words. In word maze, you have to color the circles which show relation showing words. Okay. Now next, complete the paragraph using suitable relation showing words. With the help of this picture, okay, we have to complete this paragraph with the help of this picture. This is Arjun's bedroom. This is Arjun's bedroom. There are a few toys. There are few toys on the floor. There are few toys on the floor. Okay. A colorful bedspread is on the bed. Bedspread means bed sheet. Okay. A colorful bedspread is on the bed. As you can see, A bed sheet is on the bed. Okay. There is a blackboard on the wall. There is a blackboard on the wall. A portable basketball hoop is near the table. Near, near the table. There is a chair under the blackboard. There is a chair under the blackboard. Okay, as you can see, blackboard is here, and under the table, under the blackboard, there is a chair. There are two pictures on the wall. There are two pictures on the wall. Okay. Now next, B. In the given sentences, encircle the relation showing words. In these sentences, in the given sentences, you have to circle the relation showing words. Number 1. Sandhya is writing with a pen. In this sentence, with is a relation showing word. So circle this with. Number 2. There is a banana in his hand. So in this, in is relation showing word. Number 3. A cat is sitting under the table. A cat is sitting under is relation showing word. There is some water in the glass. So in this, in. Number 5. Rama is standing near the car. Near is relation showing word. Number 6. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So in this, on is relation showing words. Okay. So dear children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.